The biggest amenity requested in today's renters market revolves around connectivity. Imagine how much more worth and value you will place on your property if you can provide internet services for your tenants. That means supporting a huge number of smart devices, demanding video and gaming services, and other smart home devices. And it means making the network that delivers those services just as reliable as the residents' water, heat, and electricity. MDU-WALN is an essential part of modern living. Our secure MDU bulk Wi-Fi is a dynamic that is changing the way MDUs purchase and deploy Wi-Fi solutions in homes and schools, as students are increasingly demanding ubiquitous coverage in dorms and many other MDUs. We essentially install Wi-Fi throughout the apartment property so that there is one SSID for all tenants. Each tenant registers devices using our enrollment login. This creates a private network for each apartment that is secure. MDU owners are able to make their buildings more competitive and appealing to residents. Today, Wi-Fi has become a must-have, and the property down the street has the best Wi-Fi. Does yours? Contact us today at www.datalinetechnologies.com.